Hey everybody, this is Dad from Ray and Dad, and Ray and I want to wish you all a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. And today we're going to take you along with us to check out the fireworks display on the Disney Wonder on their Merrytime Cruise. We thought it was pretty amazing seeing fireworks at sea. In fact, from our understanding, Disney is the only cruise line right now that has permission to do fireworks at sea. And of course they did it very Disney style, where they went above and beyond with music and timing and a spectacular show. Ray is not with me right now. She's unfortunately not feeling very well, but she wanted me to send everybody a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas as well. So with that being said, if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel to keep up on all our adventures. So now we hope you enjoy this firework display on the very Merrytime Cruise on the Disney Wonder. And make sure to enjoy.
Merry Christmas. It's not every day Santa gets to enjoy a merry time moment before the big day. But when Rudolph spotted the Disney Wonder on our test flight, we knew I had to hop off while the reindeer grabbed a snack. So before Rudolph dropped me off, I grabbed a few swirly pop whiz surprises from my sleigh. And the captain says it's almost time to set them off. So we've got a North Pole show, a fireworks surprise to fill the night skies. So look up, 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 where the reindeer fly, where Santa's magic showers the sky. Ho, ho, ho! So much silver and gold. It's time to dance with new friends and old. 1, 2, 3, 4! That's it! There you go! Ho, ho, ho! And a merry, merry time night to all.
All right, y'all. We hope you enjoyed the firework display on the very Merrytime Christmas Cruise on the Disney Wonder. We thought it was pretty spectacular. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And we hope you all have a wonderful holiday season with your family, and I hope you're all safe. And make sure to enjoy.